good day. As a continuation to the first reporter, now I'm going to discuss what is application software. So application software performs specific tasks or application. So as a user, the goal of application software is to help us perform our specific tasks. Example in school, if we have homework or reports, we can use any application that write on that task. Example, Microsoft PowerPoint. We can use that application if we have report and we have to create PowerPoint presentation. But remember that application software can do any work or perform any task without the user. So without us, the application software is useless. And also, the given example pictures that you can see are one of the example of application software, or the application software or apps on your mobile devices are also one of example of application software. And now, let's proceed to what application software can do. So, application software can create letters by using the Microsoft Word application, managing inventory and customer databases by using also the MS Excel or Microsoft Excel application. So, application software can also do editing photographs by using this application. The Adobe Lightroom application, PixArt, and Photo Director application. But we can choose any application that can do photo editing. So next is scheduling appointments. So we can use the application to-do list to perform this task or to do scheduling appointments. Also, we can choose any application in the Play Store that can perform this task. We can choose. So, viewing web pages. The most or the best example of these web pages is the Google application that most of us uses. We use exchanging email. So the application we can use for exchanging email is the Gmail application, Yahoo, or Hot Gmail, or etc. So next, designing homes. So we can choose a lot of applications software by designing homes. So one of the example of designing homes application are Planner 5D or Home Styler application. So next, playing games. So I know that all of us have an idea about mobile games. But nowadays, the most known mobile games are the Mobile Legends. But before, we have games like, or mobile games like Plants vs. Zombie, Zombie Tsunami, Candy Crush, or etc. Because there are a lot of games that we can choose, or application we can choose. So the application that I've mentioned are only one of the example of the application, because we all know that there are a lot of application nowadays that we can choose or we can use. So now let's proceed to the example of application software. So, example of application software is word processing programs, multimedia programs, web browsers, and email programs. So, word processing programs is a device or computer program that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. So, the best example of these word processing programs is the MS Word application. Because MS Word application, we can create letters or do our homeworks or any paperworks. So next is multimedia programs. Multimedia programs is a combination of text, graphics, sound, animation, and video to effectively communicate to user. So, example, creating vlog, like in the YouTube. So most bloggers use a combination of text, sound, or animation in their videos so they can create more creative videos. They use the combination of any programs on their videos. So next is web browsers. Web browsers is an application for accessing websites. So the picture that given are one of the example of web browsers application. Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, Internet Explorer, and Firefox are one of the example of web browsers. So web browsers help us to communicate, open files or media files, and open pictures. So next, email programs. Email programs is a program that lets you compose, send, receive, and manage email messages. So example of these are Gmail application, Messenger, or messages. Because this application can do or can function or perform compose, posting, or can receive or send any messages to someone. So that's our one of the example. So computers to fit every need. So these are the computers that we can use every day or the most important computers that we can use every day. So these are the 6 basic categories of computer: embedded computers, mobile devices, personal computers, servers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. So, embedded computers. Embedded into a product and designed to perform specific tasks or function for that product. Cannot be used as general purpose computers. So, embedded computers, these are the computers that can only perform tasks based on the function of that product, or they can only perform single tasks based on their functions. So example on household appliances is washing machine. So washing machine can do washing clothes only because washing clothes are the only function of washing machine, because washing machine can do cooking, or he can cook rice or toast bread, because washing machine are only for washing clothes. And thermostats are also one of the example of embedded computers. Sewing machines, because they only performs a single task. Answering machines and cars. So there are a lot of embedded computers, but these are the some example of embedded computers. So that's it.